Welcome to raigurku.com. In this video, we'll discuss about Python Numpy basic slicing and indexing functionality. So if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing and pressing bell icon for more updates. I've already created the basic sessions of Numpy. If you are really interested to learn up from beginning to the expert level, consider watching my previous session so that it will helpful for you to understand each and everything in detail. Let's begin with basic slicing and indexing concept with the practical example. So whenever we are talking about slicing an object is the index in case of basic slicing. Basic slicing can occur when the object is a slice object, that is of the form start stop step, an integer or a tuple of slice objects, an integer. All arrays generated by basic slicing are always view of the original array. So let's see how we'll create it. And let's jump to the practical content. So as I said in my previous session as well, for writing any Numpy program, we have to import the library. So now here we are doing the same thing. Then let's declare or arrange elements from 0 to 10. So A is the AR is the element name and np dot arrange then the value is 10. Now if I want to print this value, then print, don't want to write, I just want to direct print the value. Now if I want to start, stop and then step value, then how I will do that? So for starting we have to print then the value inside the array AR, and in the array -4 colon 7 colon 1. And if I want to use the operator means all elements till the end, then how will use it? So print again new value, print AR and then five colon. Let's run this and see the result. If you can see here, first it is started printed from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till 9. It means 10. Now we have decrementing or alternate operations on start, stop and step. So it is printed 6. Then if we want to increase the order from 5 onwards, then 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 is printed here. So this is how the operation will look like that. But if you want to change with the bigger number, you will definitely get better idea. So let's change this to here and here and changing this. Now you can see here the number got increased till 20. Then we have provided here it will print -8. So indexing is always starts from negative value when we are giving the negative range. So negative range will increase the order accordingly. Now here you can see it will print 10 onwards. So 10 to 19 is printed here. The same way we can also use other program as well, but as of now it's ellipse kind of structure. If we want to, ellipsis can also be used along with the basic slicing. So ellipsis is the number of objects needed to make a selection tuple of the same length as the dimensions of the array. So let's see this, and we'll create one program for this as well. So here np dot array and inside this array we'll create 4 set. 1 2 3. Insert this 2 3 4. Now in the second array we need here then bracket 5 7 9. Again there is a one more comma, post that here, it is closed. Now comma, and there is a one more round bracket is open, 6 7 8, and then third one is here, 11 12 13. Now you can see here we have provided the value. Let's do that with the ellipsis. So whenever we are printing ellipsis, print then the array name AR with ellipsis. So is dot 1. So equivalent to be colon comma 1. Let's run this and see the result. So here we have made a mistake. Now you can see it is printed 3 7 3 7 and 7 12. It means the mid range. So this is how it looks or how it works. The first type of indexing in Numpy, that is basic slicing and indexing. So that's all about basic slicing and indexing. Hope you liked it. If you really enjoyed this session, consider subscribing and pressing bell icon for more updates. Thank you for watching.